Okay, so guys, yesterday we created the matrix report and also see the various possible summarizations, correct? And see the look and feel of the matrix report output. Okay, okay, let's create the one matrix report, guys. Create custom report. Okay, I'm going to select the report type as matrix. Okay, so the requirement is business would like to see each company wise or active and terminated workers count. Okay, so I'm going to use the all active and terminated workers as per the business requirement. Row grouping is company, correct, and summarization is the count. Which count it will take? It will take the data source count. It means it will get the all active and terminated workers count. Okay, so if you run this report and see the result, you can see each company wise you should get the all active and terminated workers count. Okay, guys, perfect. Yeah, the next one is the detailed data and also a different view by options. You know, initially the matrix report specialty is initially you can see the summarization count, correct? Summarization details, count to sum, minimum, maximum, average, correct? So you always see the initially the summarization details, summarization information. Sorry, in this particular summarization, see this 245. Who all are these 245? You want to see the detailed information. You click on this drill down and see there are two sections. You can see view by option and you can see a view details option. Let's go to, you want to see these 245 members who all are. You want to see the detailed information, you click on this view details. You can see the selected drill down, this 245 who all are, you can see. Okay, guys. Okay, perfect. Similarly, if you click on this 45 summarization, see two options you can see, view by and view details. Okay, you click on the view details, you can see these 45 members who all are, correct? Yeah, see, you click on that view details, whatever the summarization you selected and click on the drill down and see the detailed data. Yes, we can see these 45 members who all are. Okay, so what information you are seeing here? Only employee name, correct? Online people.
Yes, sir.
Only employee name we are currently seeing here in the detailed data section. Wherever you select the cursor and click the drill down and see this information, who all are, you want to see this information, the very detailed wise, you click on the view details, you can see this selected summarization Who all are those detailed information you can see. Okay. In the see, I could only see the employee name here, correct? So because that's the data source behavior. That's the data source behavior. In the detailed data section, we could only see the employee name. Is it really sufficient this information? Is it really sufficient this information? No, right? No.
Yes, sir.
Business is business is not happy with the detailed data section. Business would like to see a very detailed information like an employee ID, employee name, employee gender, employee hire date, employee position, employee belongs to which cost center. Business would like to see a very detailed information, not for the not for only employee name. But this employee name is coming only default. This employee name is coming only the default behavior of the data source. Okay. So how you will override the detailed data section? What exactly business is looking for? Very simple. Go to custom report and edit. Go to custom report and edit. Uh, Please go to drill down properties. Please go to the drill down property. See, there we can see two options, right? Drillable fields. A drillable fields is nothing but view by option, okay? And detailed data sections, it's nothing but view details. And whatever you are seeing that information coming by default, correct or not? Default behavior of data source. So now you want to override, correct or not? You want to looking for some specific information, not only the employee name, correct or not? So let's go to set up the detailed data first. Okay, go to detailed data section. You click the plus button. Now you want to add whatever information you want to add very detailed wise. Okay, your business would like to see employee ID, employee name, employee hire date, gender, position, cost center, supervisory organization. So I just added the seven fields in the a detailed data section. I think these information will give you a very clear information. Correct or not? So business want to see. So these are the detailed information we want to see in the matrix report summarization. Okay. Okay. Just click on OK, and now you can run this report and see in the summarization wherever you selected the summarization count and see the detailed data. Correct. You can see whatever information you added, it will come. Now this information will give you a very detailed information. Correct or not? Online people. See now, for example, you want to select this particular summarization. See this Spotify. You want to see these Spotify members who all are. You click on the view details. Yes, you can see these Spotify people, their information very detailed wise. Correct or not? Employee ID, name, hire date, gender, position, cost center, supervisor, organization. Hope you understand the detailed data section, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Perfect.
sir.
Perfect. So the matrix report by default behavior is we would like to display only the summarization details. sorry, summarization information. In that summarization, you want to see the a detailed information. Yes, you can click on the drill down of the summarization. Okay, and go to view details. From there, you can see the a very detailed information for each summarization. Okay, perfect. So that's the detailed data section. Let's move on to the view by option. See now, for example, this 245 you can view by. It means you want to see one summarization to another summarizations. From one report output to another report output, you can keep travel. It's nothing but a view by options or a drill down options. See, for example, you can see this 245 people are belongs to USA. See, you want to see this 245. You can see this 245. How many? What was their gender summarization? See, na? What was the gender summarization? See, 131 male are there, 101 female people are there. There are 9 people are blank and 4 people are not declared. Overall 245. Okay, it means one summarization view to another summarization view. You can keep travel by using the view by options or drillable options. That's it. See, you selected this summarization initially, each company wise, all active and terminated workers. For from this particular summarization again, I want to go their age group. In this 90 people, 50 to 60 age, okay, what was their cost centers? In this facilities cost center again, I want to see what was their gender details. Like this. From one particular report view to or one particular summarization to another summarizations, you keep travel, we can use the view by options or drillable options. Okay. Okay, guys. Generally, the matrix reports are 90% are we will like to arrange the output as a chart options, guys. Okay. Run this output as a chart. The look and feel like this. See, you selected this 245. See, you selected this USA, correct? In USA, you can see view details section. It will give you the detail information. In case if you want to click on this, you can see different view by options. You want to see this 245. Okay, what was their gender details? This 240. For this 131 are male people, correct? This 131, what was their age group factor? There are 54 people are belongs to, okay, in between 50 to 60 age, correct? And you want to see their cost center details. Especially this consulting services cost center people, you want to see their job profiles. Are these people are belongs to which location? It means from one particular report view to another report view, you keep travel by using this view by options, or we can use the drillable options. Yes, it's nothing but a view by options, guys. You know, from one report view to another report view, you can keep travels. You can keep travel based on your business requirements. Okay, these particular these particular drill down options will help us. So you want to see these 245 members. Now, for example, in USA, you can see there are 245 people in there, correct? You want to see what was their current rating, what is their performance there. Okay, see, there is an option to rating current, correct or not? The only those 245 members, what was their current rating, you can see. Okay, there are 22 people are okay needs to improvement. You want to see these 22 people are belongs to which department. It means who all are these 22 members belongs to which cost center. You can go by it. This 22 people belongs to which cost center, you can see. Means these people are belongs to which cost center. You can see they are in different cost centers, different departments. That's why initially business people can see the one particular summarization view, and if they want to get more clarity, they click on drillable options, see the different VY options. Okay, you observe one thing, guys? I can see a more than 50 plus different VY options are there. Correct or not? You can see this 245. What was their worker types? How many contract people are there? How many regular people are there? Correct? See, I could see more than 50. I could see the more than more than 50 VY options we have. All these 50, correct? All these VY options are coming by default behavior based on the data source. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All these VY options are coming by defaultly based on the data source behavior. But my business would like to see only a limited VY options. I don't, okay, they don't want to see all these VY options. Business would like to see only a limited VY options. In such cases, what we will do? Same thing. How you did the override the detailed data section. Similarly, we can also override the VY options, the drillable options. Okay. Go to custom report and edit, and go to drill down option. Do you see the drillable fields? Drillable fields is nothing but a view by option, guys. So business don't need all the view by options or what are coming defaultly. Business is looking for only a specific view by options. Yes, in such cases, you please come to drill down property, and there is a section called as a drillable fields. This is belongs to view by options. Okay, you can override here. See now, as of now it's coming default, right? If you click on the plus button, it will change from default to specific. Correct or not? Yeah. So my business would like to see worker type UI option. So gender wise UI option, cost center wise UI option, location wise UI option, job profile wise, compensation, compensation grade wise, current rating wise. Okay, only I think they asked very limited giveaway options. I was arranged the same. Okay, now see, you can see only a very limited giveaway options requested by business. Okay, guys, online people.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, you can see what was their rating. You can see what was their worker type. You can see what was their locations. You can see what was their job profile, gender, cost center, compensation grade. You can see whatever you want. You click it and see those selected summarization information. You can see a different viewer options. Okay, perfect. So this is the matrix report. I said very clearly in the beginning of the matrix report. Matrix report is nothing but a summarization report. Also, it will allow to see the a detailed data as well as a different viewer options based on the business requirement is nothing but a matrix report. Hope you understand the complete definition of matrix report now. Matrix report is nothing but a summarization report. Also, it will allow to see the a detailed data as well as a different viewer options based on the business requirement. Okay, guys. Yeah. So initially, when you created a custom report as a matrix report, and based on your group by expression, based on your summarization, the output will be generated, correct? And that summarization, you click on the drill down. There are two specifications you can see. One is for detailed data, and other one is for view by options, correct? Yeah. And these two sections are coming by defaultly based on the data source behavior. If in case business is looking for a specific detail information or specific view by options, we can override the drill down properties level. Hope you understand the guys, the complete concept here. Online people.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Perfect. Yeah. So that's the matrix report. Okay. Let's move on to the matrix report properties, guys. Let's move to the matrix report property. I think matrix report, the first property is matrix, guys. And I can see the row grouping expression. I can see the column group by expression, and I can see the summarizations. Do we have any option for selecting the RBO data here? Do you have any option for selecting RBO here, RBO data?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
no, guys. Okay, whatever data source you selected, the data source associated business object is the primary business object here. The fields are whatever the fields you are selecting in your group by expression, all these fields are belongs to your primary business object. And the matrix reports will not allow to select RBO data. Matrix report should always use only for PBO data. It means it is not possible to group by multiple business object. Okay, you can always group by only one business object. That's the primary business object. Okay, yeah. So coming to properties of these matrix, we can see row grouping. What are row grouping you are using? You want to override these labels, and you want to go by ascending order or descending order. You can simply select that. These are just options, guys. Okay. So generally, the group by expressions, we are never using the options, right? Usually, the summarizations we can use. This is what the output we are seeing, correct? The summarization level of options we can use. Okay. Yeah. So in these properties, mostly you can use the what group by expression, row grouping expression you are using. You want to go by ascending order or maybe a descending order. That's it. Okay. You want to change the label names, you can override the label names here. Okay. We'll discuss this one, don't worry. So hide total row. Okay. If you selected this hide total row, okay. For example, if you run this report, do you see in the down total will come, correct? Huh? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you select that hide total row, it will hide the total. Okay. If you selected the checkbox, the total will not come. Okay, guys. See, I don't see the total, correct or not? It will hide it. So, similarly, column group by expression. Here we can use the column group by expression field, and similarly same ascending or descending order. You want to override any label here, you can use the label. And this is the hide the column related totals. Okay, perfect. Let's move to the summarization tab. Here you can see the summarization, which summarization you are using, count to maximum or minimum or average, you can see. And then you can see the this particular summarization label you want to override, you can override the label name here. And then, okay, the format. I think you want to see what specific format, only one decimal or two decimals. You're looking for any specific format, you can define the specific format here. Okay, and see the valid options, show currency symbol, any target lines, or you want to see the percentage of the columns total. Very simple, guys. Okay, you can see the percentage of the column total. It will give you the percentages. See the table, you will get more on details. See, it will give you the 34 percentage, 6.3 overall 100% of employees, right? How much percentage we can see each company's employees, correct? Earlier you see the count, exact employees count, correct? And that because of the valid options you selected, instead of the count you can see the it should show it will show the percentage, correct? Online people, hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, it will show you the percentages.
Sir, sir, one doubt. Here it is not having an option to add the rows, right, for row grouping and column grouping. But it is saying here maximum number of columns is 20.
Will come. That's why. Don't worry. I said will come.
Okay.
Will come the next one. What is the maximum row grouping, column grouping will come. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So see, initially you can see the exact count of the summarizations, correct? Instead of the count, you want to display this how much percentage. Yes, we can go to the valid option. That column count you can display as a percentage. Where you can select that option. Sorry, here. Go to options, valid options. See percentages of columns total. Correct or not? It will come like this. Okay. Go to the next option. Go to custom report and edit. See percentage of overall total. If you selected the second option, overall total, it will come. See, okay, overall 100%, and see each percentage overall. You can see how much percentage it is splitted. Okay, guys. Do you understand the percentages, sir? Okay. And then you know very well the show currency symbol. Show currency symbol is really valid for the count. Show currency symbol
No.
really valid for count? No. Even though if you select it, if this is currency field, then it will come. Otherwise, it won't come here. Correct or not? Okay. Okay. Let's take the salary. Okay. Total compensation. Here you can see currency symbol. It should work. I added the 2 times count. First count will give you the number. Second count will give you the percentage. Okay. Okay, guys. And see currency symbol is coming or not. Okay, perfect. The next one is the next one is okay. In case you want to see the both count as well as percentage, then you can use count normally, and count you can take the percentage. So both will come in the same page. Okay. Yeah. Now you can see count and summarizations both we added. And next property is in the varied options completed. Next one is create. You know very well about the analytical indicators, right? We already discussed in advanced report. Okay, guys.
Sir.
Move on to the detailed data override section. Okay. So this is a special case, guys. Okay. For example, you have these two summarizations, right? These two summarizations. In these two summarizations, in these two summarizations, for these two summarizations, you click on the detailed data, you click on the drill down and see detailed data. See employee ID name, detailed data coming, right? Here also, if you click on the detailed data, you can see detailed information is coming. Do you really see the detailed data, any salary information of employee? No, right? No, right?
No.
Yeah, both the summarizations, detailed data coming same. Where it is coming? In your drill down property, whatever detailed data you added, it is coming by defaultly for all summarizations, correct? Whatever detailed data section you configured, so that will come by default for all summarizations. Okay, but I don't want to, but I don't want to the same detail for the compensation summarization. I want to a separate detailed data for the summarization. In such cases, what we will do? Okay, we have a special property. Go to custom report and edit, and go to matrix report. Especially you are looking for compensation level, right? In the options, go to create. There we have a separate property, create the detailed data override option. And whatever fields you are looking for, yes, we are looking for employee ID, employee full name, only these four fields, guys. Only those four fields we are adding. See now, click on the detailed data, it will open. So this is the four fields we are looking for a separate detailed data override section. So you added this detailed data override section for the only for the specific summarization. See now, now if you run this report, all the summarizations will get the detailed data by default information, correct? Whatever properties you set up, it will come. But when it comes to this particular summarization, detailed data you added the override section, correct? It will give you only this information, override section detailed data information. Okay, guys? Okay, perfect. So that's the detailed data override section. The next one is you can also add the detailed data section override, right? Here you can also add the report to drill down, report link to drill down for detailed data. For example, you can create one custom, create custom report. Through report also you can link, guys. So this report also will give the detailed information, correct, Anand? You can also link that report. See, create drill down to report link. Just call the report name here, and that's it. So you can also in the drill down, you can also go to detailed data override section. Also, you can go by report link also. You create separate report. That report you can also link there. See now how it will come. You click on the summarization in the drill down. You can see view details. You can see the detailed data section override, correct? Similarly, in the drill down, you can also see the report to see the information. Okay, guys? Online people. Okay, perfect. So these all the properties, guys. See. So generally, you added one more summarization. See na? Sum of Okay, you can see the loan amount also. Some loan amount. Each company wise, how much loan amount we has given to employees. Okay. No, I think we don't have anything. Okay, total annualized base pay amount. Okay. See, this count and sum will take by default tree. See, so by default detail data section, correct? See, if you click on this, you click on view details. See, by defaultly, whatever detail data section you configured, those will come, correct or not? And this summarization also. These all will come by default detail data section behavior, correct? But when it comes to this particular summarization, okay, you go to view details, this will come the detail data override section, correct? And also you can see this particular summarization to report link also you can get the detail. Okay, so where we can control of this options levels, guys, where you can control options level, you can maintain for a specific summarization. You want to maintain separate detailed data section, or you want to maintain the detailed data by using the report link also. We can use these options, guys. Okay, and you know very well the coming to drill down properties, you want to add the viewer options or drillable options here, and detailed data section you can maintain here, correct? And you know very well about the filter. Matrix report won't support it the sub filter, and it won't support it for RBO also, correct? I could only see the filter option. I think filter we already discussed in the advanced report, same thing, guys. And similarly prompt. I think this is also same as advanced report. Output table, same options. Share options and advanced. See, do you see any web service options in the advanced property? No, right? It
No.
means matrix report is not possible to call the integrations. Matrix report is not possible to call the integration. See, I think the remaining properties the same as advanced report, guys. The filter, prompt, output, share, and advanced. Okay, I'm not going to discuss again because both are the same options. And one more thing, in advanced report, I don't see any web service option. It means matrix report is not possible to call the integrations. Okay. Okay. So the next one is a matrix report limitations, guys. So this is one of the most common interview questions nowadays. Okay, what are all the limitations of matrix report? Okay, I'm going to remove the I'm going to remove the these particular things, guys. Can I remove? Okay, let's take the only row grouping one summarization. See now, overall how many rows, how many number of rows you can see in output? Now we can see 79. Correct, Anand? 79 rows are there. So these are the row, one row, this is one row, this is one row, this is one row, correct? Like this. 79 rows we can see. Okay. Go to custom report and edit. See, In the row grouping, you can see maximum number of rows. It's defaulted to 250, guys. The maximum number of rows we can see 250. It's defaulted by system. Okay, but we can increase or decrease depends on the business requirement. Whether we can increase or decrease, guys. It depends on the business requirement. It depends on the business requirement. So this is the defaulted by system. Okay. Maximum how many number of rows it will allow? 12,000. How many number of rows system will allow, guys? 12,000, guys.
12,000.
But system is defaulted to 250. It means up to 250 we can display. But maximum should be 12,000. Only 12,000 output number of rows we can display. Okay, I would like to see only a top 10 employees count details. Then you can set this as a 10. Okay, as per your business requirement, business would like to see the top 10 companies, top 10 companies count. Then please set up this to 10 and see the output. Yeah, you can exclude the header and footer. 10 things, 10 companies are coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, all remaining people all will come others category. Correct on that? Okay. You want to see only 5, top 5 companies. You can set up this as a 5. See, guys, top 5 companies are coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining all people will go to others category. So that is the output number of rows count. Okay, control. System is defaulted to by 250. Correct? Online people. System is defaulted by 250, guys. That's a defaulted by system. You may increase or decrease. It depends on the business requirement. Maximum how many number of output rows we can display?
12,000.
12,000, guys. But system is defaulted by 250. In case if your business want to see only top 10, we can decrease this value. Correct or not? In case business would like to see okay up to 500, yes, we can display up to 500, but this output only have 79. Correct or not? Something like this. You can increase or decrease. It depends on the business requirement. System is defaulted by 250. Yes, we can increase or decrease up to 12,000 records we can display for the matrix report output rows. Okay, guys? Yeah, so that is the output rows. Okay, very simple. This is the different, guys. How many number of row grouping expressions we can add? 8. How many row grouping expressions we can add? 8. How many number of output rows we can display? Up to 12,000. Similarly, how many column group by expressions we can add? 2. And how many number of columns output we can display? 250. Maximum 250 columns, output columns you can display. But system is defaulted to 20. Correct or not? Okay, let me take the column grouping. Maybe you can take the location. A very good example. See, up to 20 it will come. Remaining all will go to others category. Correct or not? Maybe I would like to see top 5 locations. Top 5 locations only. So as per your requirement, can I reduce this? Yeah. We would like to see each company top 5 position details. Okay, top 5 employee details. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining all will go to others category. So maximum how many number of output columns we can see? So maximum number of
250.
output columns we can see?
250.
Huh?
250.
250. But system is defaulted by 20. You may increase or you may decrease. It depends on the requirement. Hope you understand, guys. Perfect, guys. So that's what I captured very detailed information. So what are the limitations of matrix report? We can arrange only 8 row grouping expressions and 2 column group by expressions in matrix report. These are the group by expressions, 8 row grouping expressions, 2 column group by expressions. Okay, matrix report output rows limitations, maximum number of rows we can see up to 12,000. System is defaulted by 250. You may increase or decrease, depends on the requirement, but maximum we can see up to 12,000. See matrix report output column limitations. Yes, we can see up to 250, but system is defaulted by 20. You may increase or decrease, depends on the requirement, up to maximum 250 output rows we can see in the matrix report. Okay, guys? Your matrix report should always use PBO data and it won't support RBO data. Correct or not? Yeah. Matrix report doesn't have web service option, so it is not possible to call the integrations. So these are all the limitations of the matrix report. You must be aware of these information and try to explain to the panel. I think this is a very good answer to give very detailed information with a very short answer. Okay, perfect, guys. Guys, I'm also going to share the few matrix report real-time examples. Okay, so please go through those as well and practice it. Anyone have any doubts today's session, guys? Online people, anyone have any doubts, guys?